This is the elevator at the Clarion Hotel in Sundsvall, Sweden. I hope I said it right. Start off by going to -1. Opens up over here. 4. -1. Here, -1. Now let's go back to 0. Again, door close works on Schindler. I like that. So yeah, this is a nice hotel and a nice elevator. And that'll be it.
Uh-oh, the video's over. But it doesn't have to be. You can always watch more, and you know what to do. And don't forget to subscribe and light up that bell. Until next time, bye y'all.